Namaste Javians. Myself Javian Dr. Barkha Khurana. Today we'll be discussing about structure of neuron, which is a part of your human physiology, and it is for DPT second semester. See, neuron is a functional unit of nervous system. It has it is a cell in the body that is specialized to carry messages. The process by which a neuron carry messages from one part of the brain to another is called electrochemical process. The chemical part at a junction between two neurons is called as synapse. There are about 100 billion neurons in the human brain, and all neurons have different shapes and they also come in many sizes. Neurons are like other body cells, having a cell membrane, a nucleus that contains DNA. They have some working parts known as organelles. Neurons are different from other body cells because they have an irregular shape. They have dendrites and axons. They communicate to each other through electrochemical process, and they use chemicals for communication called as neurotransmitters. The neuron has a cell body or soma and a nucleus containing the DNA. There are dendrites, axon, which is the elongated part, myelin, the nodes of Ranvier, and presynaptic terminals. A dendrite is a structure of the neuron that brings information to the cell body from other neuron. It has a rough surface with little bumps called as dendritic spines. Dendrites usually branch nearer to the cell body than does the axon. Now the axon carries information away from the cell body to the dendrites of a neighboring neuron or another body structure, such as a muscle. They have no spines or just like dendrites. Most neurons have only one axon. The myelin is a fatty substance that covers some axons. If an axon has myelin, the information it sends can travel faster than if the axon does not have myelin, that is your myelinated and unmyelinated fibers. The myelin is produced by other supporting cells called as glia. There are breaks at various points in the myelin that are known as nodes of Ranvier. As an electric signal called an action potential travels down the axon, and action potential jumps from one node of Ranvier to another. The jumping of one impulse to another node of Ranvier is known as saltatory conduction, and which is very fast. Glia do not carry any information, and they are smaller than neurons. The different types of glia are astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, and microglia. So this is all in your neuron. I hope you understood this session. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in the box. This session is powered by Digital 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth University. Thank you.